Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel myseniorlives.com, and today I'm going to tell about life insurance for seniors over 70. Is it possible to buy life insurance for our senior citizens, for our parents over 70 aged group? Friends, do you feel that you need to get parents who are over 70 insured, or do you feel that you need to think regarding for yourself and your partner's old age? Then life insurance for seniors over 70 is one of the best aspects which you can check out to make sure that you are successful in your goals on securing old and retired times. It will help you to have a clear purpose and ensure that you secure your parents as well as your future with the support of life insurance, especially designed for elderly individuals. These days, most of the insurance companies and banks are coming up with the life insurance for seniors over 70, which had got customized features to ensure that the particular individual's requirements are understood well and they are served well as and when required. In this way, you'll be able to reap the benefits of senior life insurance you have applied for whenever required. Most of the elderly individuals who don't have insurance fall in the dilemma regarding how they can get the best insurance for themselves so that they can secure their present years without facing hurdles. The life insurance for seniors play a significant role, and they can quickly enroll themselves to get insured from a trustable insurance company or even a government recognized bank. Earlier, these insurance companies considered that the elderly individuals were a risk for their insurance policies since the period of their lives are less than that of the young insurance takers. But how these negative aspects are always changing and updating with the time. The financial responsibilities increase in the retired life due to the absence of regular job in the most of the cases. Therefore, it becomes essential for the retired individuals to apply for life insurance for seniors over 70 to secure their lives and live the life in peace. If you are aged over 70, or if your parent is aged over 70 and you want to take insurance for yourselves, then you can consult with some top insurance agencies around you. It will help you to know the best insurance options and get the one suitable for you or your parents. There are several factors which are taken into considerations while providing life insurance for seniors over 70. So friends, therefore you need to thoroughly check for the details and understand them well before taking the insurance. The most important factors which determine the types of life insurance which are given to an elderly citizen is their lifestyle and expenses. So friends, you need to inform in the documents regarding the health status as well as responsibilities you have which you want to pay with the money of senior life insurance. Friends, in this way the respective company will be able to help you out at the time when you require to use the insurance, especially in cases of emergency. In this way, the life insurance proves to be great benefit for the elderly citizens and secure their retired life. So friends, these are some information about life insurance for seniors over 70. If you are going to check codes of your parents, you can visit our website myseniorlives.com. I will share the link in the description also. You can like the Facebook page and follow us on Twitter also to get latest updates. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.